All right, our 2015 Ram 3500. This limited truck shows incredibly well. Drives like $1,000,000. Does come with the blacked out wheels and headache rack, blacked out badging as well. Nice little feature for those cold winter days. Remote start. Fires up right away. Give you a quick peek of the interior here. Proximity key, all the limited stitching. You do have your backup camera and your sunroof as well. Again, those bespoke limited seats. If you need anything else on this particular truck, any other information, give me a call, 403-902-0434. Take it home today.